Career and technical education raises the bar. We serve students in grades 5 through 12. Students in 5th grade have the opportunity to participate in the Career Exploration Roadshow. This opportunity provides students with hands-on activities concerning different careers that are available to them. A select group of 5th graders participate in the Thinking About Our Future Day as they begin their day touring the high school that they will be attending. This is in collaboration with the AIG program. 8th graders begin their career development plan. From that career development plan, we look at field trips that are related to students' career interests. This year we took 2 different field trips, one to the auto show and one to the North Carolina Department of Transportation Career Day. Students in grades 8 through 12 have the availability to participate in job shadowing. This has been a very successful program. These students can participate in job shadowing a veterinarian, a pilot, a dentist, a teacher, and a wide variety of other careers that we offer here in Franklin County and beyond. This year we were fortunate to begin our Cedar Creek Middle School Agriculture Program, and we were fortunate that Farm Bureau backed us in that with a $1,500 grant to help with supplies and materials in that program. Middle school students also participated in the Reality of Money. The Reality of Money is a simulation that teaches financial literacy. It's a wonderful activity. We also were fortunate this year that we were asked to provide a speaker for a workforce meeting, and Tyler Burnham, a senior at Franklinton High School, went and talked about his opportunities that he had when he shadowed a veterinarian. Tyler fell in love with veterinary medicine and will be attending NC State in the fall to pursue a career as a veterinarian. Our career and technical student organizations are also very active. Bunn High School, along with Franklinton High School, participated in the FFA National Conference in Indianapolis, Indiana. We have students that are becoming certified in welding, which is a much-needed activity, career at this point in our society. And finally, Mr. Billy Longson's class of carpentry students participated in several activities throughout the year. They helped build a Habitat for Humanity home, as well as participated in a building activity with the Wake County Public School System. Some students came away with prize money, as well as tools that they could use in their careers. CTE raises the bar.